Hello. Hey, how are we doing today? Hey, man, I get a lot of questions about fixing credit. I'm doing pretty good with mine, and I want to show you my system that I use to fix my credit, and it's one that's available to you also. But I just want to show you everything you get with our system. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my app, and we'll run through it. And if you have any questions at the end, uh, feel free to reach out to me. Let's build your credit. All right, here we go. All right, let's go through our system and let me show you when people ask me about building their credit. So, when you're a member, we'll go right here to our income shifting membership. Okay, let me log into my back office here, show you what this is about. These are the income shifting membership programs, and what we are talking about is the My Credit system. Everybody asks me about building their credit, so let me show you what you get. And it's just very important you learn to do it yourself. But let me read the credit system to you. It says, "Cash is king" was once a powerful statement, but in today's digital world, credit runs the kingdom. Credit affects every aspect of life today. Even if you have a great career and a boatload of cash, you will still need good credit score. My credit system is a credit education system that empowers people to build stellar credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. So, what you have here, we have videos, we have PDFs, and I just want to show you everything. So, you would get in here, go to your back room, you would start that introduction. It's going to give you a great introduction. You hit that get started button, and let's see. Let me read this to you. The My Credit System membership course page. This is what you want, and it's very important to learn to do this yourself so you can pass this information on to your children, and you're not paying people to do it and they're beating you for your money every month, and you can learn to do it yourself, and that's what we have to offer. But you need a system, you need a plan, you need a blueprint that's in order so you can do the steps in order. See, that's very important. People going to look past that when they see the information and think they can go here and here and not going A, B, C, D, which is what you need to do. This is an education. We said that initially. But let me read this to you about this. The My Credit System is a membership portal with credit education and training. I just showed you the video. I'm reading what you say. You watch the video, print off the information, and it's yours. Okay, listen. Credit plays an important role in your life, affecting the purchases you make and so much more. The more insight you have about credit, the easier it is to strengthen your financial well-being. See, learn how to successfully manage your credit score with the My Credit System membership. So let me just show you what you get. So you'll hit that start your lesson. Okay, but just to run through it, we've already looked at the introduction. That was My Credit. But look, these are the courses you get. Number one, portal, walk through the credit system. You're going to walk through the system. We're going to hold your hand and show you everything you need to do to get the maximization out of this program. Module 2, we're going to obtain your credit report. See, it's a process. We're going to show you the system. We're going to obtain our credit report because we're getting ready to do battle. Then module 3, how to read your credit report. We're going to teach you how to read it. See, have you gotten it? Do you know what it means? You have to learn those things, and just paying somebody to do it, you're really handicapping yourself and your family for real. Module number 4, how to dispute items on your credit report. That's what everybody wants to do. How do I dispute this and that? And we're going to go through all of that through videos, through presentations, through information like I'm reading to you now. But you have to do it yourself. This is a do-it-yourself program. We just give it to you and put it in the order that you need to do it to be successful. Let me go on. We're going to go and look at some of them. Module 5, how to lower your credit utilization. It's very important. You done disputed, you done did that, but you're going to probably find out once you dispute it, some other things you need to do, like how to build history. See, I mean, it's more to it than just getting it off of there. You get that stuff off of there, you might have to do some rebuilding. Don't you want to know how to do it correctly? You didn't know how you got in the jam. Don't you want to know how you won't get in the jam and have a play? Listen, Module 7, checking your credit mixture. Do you know about that? I mean, where else are you going to get this information to help save your family? I don't know. Checking your disputes. We give you the whole sum, but let me go in here. That was Module 4, how to dispute. Everybody want to get, let me just hit that so you can see. If you go into Module 4, how to dispute. That's a 20-minute tape. You watch that. Watch that lesson. Go here. How to navigate and remove payment history. Watch that lesson. That's 6 minutes. That other one was 20 minutes. Look. Then get your downloads. Identity dispute letter. Credit inquiry dispute letter. Credit dispute letters 1 through 5. It's 5 letters right there. You get your debt validation. See, you may see this stuff, but do you know when to use it? Huh? How to remove it? Do you know when to use it? Do you have the letter? Look, some of you want to know about that, how to remove medical. I know a lot of people want to learn about medical. They want to learn about the education. But some of this stuff, y'all, you're going to have to find out that in order for it to really improve, you have to improve it yourself. And you really want to know how to do it. You may need the goodwill letter. They go to download for the goodwill letter. We have it all here for you. When to use the pay for delete letter. Watch that 4-minute video. Read this information about it. Download the letter. Send it off. It tells you how to mail credit letters. See, it's more to it. We give you the name where you need to send it. That's 20 minutes, y'all. 20 minutes to change your life. But let me go back before I get out of here. Once again, like I say, start your lesson. That's a 30-minute video. That's a system walkthrough. You just start at A and go to B and then go to C. And we're gonna get education on your rights. Right there, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Practices Act, and keep moving. How score is calculated. You need to know all of this. You need to know about payment history. You need to know about credit utilization. You need to know about length of the credit history, new credit in the mix. And we give you all that. The brochure, understanding your FICO. It's different systems for different things, whether you want to buy a house, whether you want to buy a car, it really doesn't matter. But what really matters is you need the system. You need this system, and you need to get started now, and it's at a very good deal. And if you are interested in more information, hey, just get back with me. Peace.